Most people think of grasshoppers as harmless gardeners, but deep down, many of us are actually terrified of them. Why? Because when they disappear into the shadows, they reveal their true nature, a demonic ability to decimate entire crops in seconds. While they look like biological machines built for jumping and eating, grasshoppers engage in intricate daily routines. Under normal circumstances, they are solitary creatures that navigate their environments with impressive force using their powerful hind legs. However, the moment conditions change, they exhibit gregarious behavior. This shift transforms them into locusts, creating massive swarms that are far more menacing than you might imagine. Let's look at the sound they make. That's shocking. Noise isn't music, it is a survival warning called stridulation, used to coordinate their movements and alert others of danger. The true terror lies in their feeding habits. When threatened or in large groups, they can bite humans with crunchy exteriors and menacing antennae, planning to chew through our arteries. Fortunately, despite their unblinking eyes and scary appearance, they aren't poisonous. But the mental image of these insects decimating crops leaves a haunting effect on anyone who observes them. Ultimately, these are not mere machines. They possess remarkable survival strategies and fascinating social interactions that allow them to adapt their behavior to changing seasons and threats. So there you have it. The terrifying reality behind the garden hopper. Now that you know about their stridulation and swarming potential, what other insect behaviors surprise you? Let me know in the comments.